Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, bringing you guys a quick video on troubleshooting your battery. If it seems like you're having some issues with your light or the functionality of your light, this is a good way to rule out whether it's a battery issue or if it's something else. Alright, so first off, due to shipping in a low charge state, the initial charge of your battery is going to be a little longer, probably 6 to 8 hours. Afterwards, once you've charged the battery fully, subsequent charges are going to take a lot less time. Alright, so when you're putting your battery into your light, you want to make sure that the positive end is facing towards the head of the light, not the tail. So you'll see that our batteries are labeled, positive and negative. You want the positive end with the little nub facing the head of the light. When using your light, if it blinks 3 times, that does not mean that the battery is bad, it just means that the battery needs to be charged. Alright, now we're going to go over some indications of a bad battery. If your battery lasts less than 20 minutes, even when it shows fully charged, and if your battery takes more than 6 hours to recharge. Also, if your battery is not recognized by your charger, you'll see here when I install the battery, the lights will blink, showing that it's recognizing the battery, and then they'll begin charging. You'll see the indication here in the lights. One thing you want to watch out for is if your battery charges when installed in the wrong direction on the charger, meaning the positive terminal goes towards the bottom, your battery should not charge and your lights should blink, telling you that you need to reinstall the battery in the right direction. If your battery gets excessively hot or swells when on the charger, discontinue use of the battery immediately. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and let us know if you have any questions.